Hello everyone, this is a smart stereo for Skoda Octavia specifically. Equipped with Android system, which is easy to use. Bluetooth Connect helps you dial or hang up your phone call on your radio screen. Equipped with radio function, no missing broadcasting news on the road. Digital sound system provides a great live adjustable sound. High definition screen makes sure your video can be perfectly performed. Support Mirror Link, which is a projector from your mobile phone to radio screen. GPS navigation system always plan the best route for you. Split screen function allows you to use two applications at the same time. Reverse camera input provides a clear view both day and night. This is the rendering after installation, which is perfect for Skoda Octavia. But notice the year. More details, please go to our Amazon store. Purchase your Ezonetronics product today.